Pure design lovers, if your living room needs a big upgrade and you are tired of bland walls and dull furniture, get ready. Drilling Nut can help to fix your design problems. We are exploring 10 amazing living room themes that will transform your space from boring to stunning. Let's make your living room the best it can be. Industrial. First up, we have the industrial theme. It's all about exposed brick, metal accents, and raw materials. This theme is perfect for those who love a rugged urban aesthetic in their living space. To make this style better, think about special lights that give an extra industrial touch. Scandinavian. Next, the Scandinavian theme. It's characterized by simplicity, functionality, and minimalism. This theme is perfect for those who love a clean, streamlined look in their living room. To complement Scandinavian design, you can add cozy throws and cushions in neutral tones for a touch of warmth during colder seasons. Mediterranean. The Mediterranean style brings the beauty of sunny coastal places directly to your living room. This theme is perfect for those who love a warm, sunny aesthetic. To keep this feeling going, think about adding potted plants with lively green leaves to bring the sense of a Mediterranean garden inside. Eccentric. For those who love to make a statement, the eccentric theme is perfect with its bold colors and unique decor pieces. This theme is perfect for those who love a vibrant, unique aesthetic. To add more to this idea, think about including unique artwork or standout furniture to highlight your personal style. Chalet. The chalet theme gives your living room a cozy, cabin-like feel with its use of natural wood and warm tones. This theme is perfect for those who love a cozy, rustic aesthetic. To make the chalet feeling even cozier, think about putting soft texture rugs and throws to make the space warmer and more comfortable. Craftsman. The craftsman theme is all about handcrafted elements and natural materials. It's perfect for those who appreciate the beauty of craftsmanship and nature. To match this style, think about including the handmade pottery or woven textiles for a personal touch that shows the skill of the craftsman design. Retro. The retro theme takes you back in time with vintage furniture and nostalgic decor. It's perfect for those who love a touch of nostalgia in their living space. To make the retro feel even better, think about adding strong patterns and lively colors in extra items like throw, pillows, or wall art. Mid-century. The mid-century theme is characterized by clean lines, gentle curves, and a mix of different materials. It's perfect for those who love a blend of traditional and modern aesthetics. To keep the mid-century style, think about adding famous mid-century furniture like Eames chairs or a stylistic coffee table. Victorian. The Victorian style is focused on being fancy and classy, using detailed furniture and vibrant colors. It's perfect for those who love a touch of luxury in their living space. To make the Victorian charm stronger, think about adding fancy curtains and detailed old-fashioned accessories to capture the richness of that time. Shabby chic. Last but not least, the shabby chic theme is characterized by distressed furniture, soft colors, and a vintage touch. It's perfect for those who love a romantic, feminine aesthetic in their living space. To give a cozy and vintage feel to a space in the shabby chic style, think about adding all mirrors or using soft fabrics with delicate floral patterns. There you have it, folks. 10 living room themes to inspire your next design adventure. Remember, your home should be a reflection of you, so don't be afraid to mix and match, experiment, and have fun. And for more awesome design tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to Drilling Nerd and check out our website at drillingnerd.com.